Now bar is not showing in Samsung Galaxy A07. Let's fix that. Navigate to settings, go to notifications and go to lock screen notifications. Make sure is selected and also make sure you have selected show content instead of hide content. Go to settings and double check if the application is enabled which you want on now bar. Once you have done that, go back and scroll down a bit. Go to lock screen, then select now bar and from here click see all. Make sure the application you want on now bar is enabled from here as well. Let's test clock on now bar. I am starting the stopwatch. Let's see if now bar is activated or not. And here you can see now bar is working perfectly. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.